I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember.
I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody because I was hesitant to put out my daily workout routines on YouTube because I didn't know whether you would like it or not, or is it any good at all, or would it inspire some of you or give you some motivation. And I'm so happy that many of you said that it did inspire and motivate you to start working out or keep up with your working out routine. And it just makes me feel very happy. So when I figured out my own workout routine and what works or what not, I'm going to share them and make longer videos, like in real time, not the speed up versions, so we can do the workouts together. I'm going to try and put together like a kicking and kickboxing, well, not kickboxing, but like a Taekwondo workout, or like Taekwondo workout for better kicks, and I'm just going to try and figure it out how could I help you the most with a workout session, and how can we evolve together as a community, and what can we do. So please let me know in the comments below what kind of workout would you be interested in, or would you like to see something else. What are the things that you would like to learn, maybe, so I can try and teach you. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.